Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the sound and vibration with the speaker icon. Once you find it, tap on it, and here select the volume. And now we can adjust the sound volume by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also access the volume slider by swiping down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, tapping on the speaker icon, and adjust the volume. Then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.